Are you experiencing a stagnation or a decrease in your performance results? Maybe it's time to shake things up with your creatives. Creative can make or break your performance campaigns, and that is why you need to dedicate a lot of thoughts to your creative strategy and testing methodology. So what are we actually trying to say? Did you ask yourself the following questions? First, within my target audience, are these different personas whom I'm trying to reach? Second, which of these audiences are most likely to bring high performance results? And the last one, have you tested a variety of types of assets, 2D, 3D, UGC, or production? So, the bottom line is, if you haven't thought of any of these following when it comes to creatives that you are creating, then there are endless possibilities to you to uplift your campaign. Something we can help you with. Contact us for more details.